bucket, we put into the jug, we see how many glasses of water will fill the jug. Are we ready?
Yes.
Are we ready?
Yes.
Are we ready?
Yes.
Okay, we are going to start with Ethan. So Ethan, you are going to come here, very full. Okay. One. Go back. Glasses fill the jug. So the capacity of the jug is how many glasses?
8.
The capacity of the jug is how many glasses? 8 glasses. 8. Yes. The jug full? Yes. So how many cups do you put into the jug?
7.
How many cups? 7. So the capacity of the jug is how many cups?
7.
7 cups. And do you remember how many glasses?
8.
So the cup is bigger than the glass. Small bottles. 9. Even your next. Okay, you want to know the capacity of the big bottle? How many? 10. Various containers, which one can fit more than the other one. Did you enjoy it?
Yes.
Can you go back to class now?
Yes.
Are we there?
Yes.
Are you there? 1, go 2?
Yeah.
Is everyone there?
Yes.
Good. Measuring capacity. So now we understand what it means to measure capacity of various containers. Okay? Who can tell me what we saw outside? What is the capacity of the big bottle? Yes, Taraji?
I don't care.
The capacity